everyone. Happy Monday. I'm so sorry I am not there with you today. If you're watching this video as a class, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Today we are going to start something new because we are approaching our final project of the year. You may remember me mentioning this last week or so, but each of you will be exploring a real country around the world and attempting to identify the role that the political and economic system of that country play in either protecting human rights or denying human rights. In order to understand human rights in general, that's what we're going to work on this week before we assign your topics. So step one for today is you're watching this video, which is the lesson overview video, in order to get a sense of where we're headed. After this video is up, you're going to watch a clip called The Story of Human Rights. It's about 9 minutes, and you're going to watch it on your own with headphones, and then you're going to post to the discussion afterwards. Finally, once you're done with that, feel free to pair up with a partner to complete part 1 and part 2 of the UN activity. Only parts 1 and part 2. Now, there is no homework for today. I'm so sorry I don't have your quizzes to pass back to you today, but I will get those to you as soon as I possibly can. I apologize for the delay. You have your scores besides 9th period in Power School, so you can definitely see your scores, but I'm not there to pass back your quizzes today. So the objectives for today. I can explain the history and purpose of the United Nations, and tomorrow, you're going to do that second part, I can read the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and explain its meaning in my own words. So, today, we are going to be starting with a conversation about what human rights are in general. A video has been posted on Schoology attached to a discussion post called UDHR Reflection. You're going to click on that discussion to find the clip to this 9-minute and 30-second video. Okay? And the video will cover what sort of human history has identified as being human rights, all the way back to when humans first started writing things down at the beginning of time. Once you're done watching that clip, you're going to answer this question. Why is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights so difficult to enforce? In other words, why hasn't the document become more than just words on a page? The video will start to get into this, but you also can definitely make inferences about why you think we have not, as a human race, figured out a way to protect and uphold the very basic tenets of the document. After you're done taking your time to watch the video and post to the discussion, you're going to move on to our introduction about the United Nations. So there's an activity called UN Activity in today's folder. You're going to complete part 1 and part 2. Super short parts. There's only 2 questions in each section. You're going to use the actual website from the United Nations to answer those questions. So follow the links that are on there. You do not have to submit it because we are going to continue working on this activity tomorrow and Wednesday. All right, so that is it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I may take a minute to respond, but I'll do my very best. And I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.